Hey everyone, if you want to schedule Google Meet meetings in 2026 using Google Calendar, this is the full beginner guide. I'll show you step by step how to create, schedule, and share meetings easily. First, open Google Meet and Google Calendar in your browser or mobile app. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account. Next, click Create or tap on a date to start a new event. This is where you begin scheduling your meeting. Now, add your meeting title, date, and time. Double check everything to avoid mistakes. After that, click Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. This automatically generates a meeting link for your event. Next, add participants by entering their email addresses. They will automatically receive the meeting invite. Now, set reminders and notifications so you don't miss the meeting. You can choose alerts before the meeting starts. After that, click Save to finalize your event. All participants will get the meeting link instantly. Finally, when it's time, open the calendar event and click the Google Meet link. I mean, it takes you directly into the meeting. So, yeah, that's how you schedule Google Meet meetings with Google Calendar in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you can organize online meetings easily and professionally. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more productivity tutorials for fast and simple guides. Hey, everyone.